Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud is not working for your headphones REALME Buds T110. You have to start by put your headphones inside the charging case, then close the case and open it again. And if it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, remove the headphones from the charging case. And now press and hold action area on your headphones for at least 10 seconds. At the same time, of course. Cool. Now, put your headphones inside the charging case. Close it. Click on the settings icon or information icon if you have under iOS. Then forget and forget device. Now, open the case, click on pair new device. And click on your headphones. Pair, and here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.